As you know, Chapter 8, Structure and Functions of Living Organisms, Plants. This chapter of ours is going on. Yesterday, we have discussed about the main parts of the flowering plant and the two main systems present in the plant, along with the two types of root systems present in the plants. Today, we are going to discuss about modifications of roots. This is the topic for today, dear students. How are you all? Good morning. Ready to learn science with me? Let's go. First of all, want to show you a video, dear student, of two types of root system. First of all, tap root system. When a seed germinates, a single root grows downward, and then the finer lateral roots comes from that main root. This is the tap root system. Now come to the fibrous root system. And what happen in fibrous root system? Several roots arise from the base of the stem when the seed germinate at the same time. I want to see how many roots at a time arise from the base of the stem. Such type of arrangement is this is tap root. This is tap root. Here you can see in between the main root and then side lateral roots are there, finer one. Fibrous root, you can see again, you can see the base of the stem from where many roots come. Now I want to show you how the roots bind the soil, and in this way soil erosion is prevented by plants. As well, plant is fixed in the soil by the roots. So this is all about what we studied yesterday about the functions of roots. Now I want to show you one more video of the whole flowering plant. The part of the plant which grows below the ground, that is the root system, and which grows above the ground, that is the shoot system. Root system consists of roots, while the shoot system consists of leaves, branches, stem, buds, flowers, and I'm searching about the fruits of this plant. Here these are फली जैसे. These are the fruits of sadaba. Today, let's come to today's topic. What is the meaning of modification? As I have already told you that the topic of ours is modifications of roots. So what is the meaning of modification? Answer is when something changes its shape and size to perform a special function. That is called the modification. To grab the clear meaning of that, I want to show you a video. Here, this is a box, cardboard box of a mobile phone. And in this COVID time, I have modified it to keep my mobile to shoot the video. How? I change the shape. You can say I cut it from there so that the camera can take the video what is required by me. In this way, I modified this container of mobile for my need. It means इसमें एक modification हो गया. So what is modification? Modification is that in which any object, anything change its shape and size to perform a special function. So what is modifications of the root? Some plants have special types of roots to perform special functions. Such roots are called modified roots. Three types of root modifications are given at page number 1 26 that are roots modified for storage of food, roots modified for support, and roots modified as parasitic roots. First of all, roots modified for storage of food. Are you familiar with these? Carrot, radish, turnip, etc. All these are the roots of plants actually that are eaten by us raw in the form of salad, and sometimes they are cooked as vegetables. So, what are the roots modified for storage of food? Some plants like carrot, sweet potato, turnip, and beetroot have their roots modified for the storage of food. Their roots are swollen and fleshy. They store food prepared by the leaves. I want to explain you further. Some of the plants like carrot, radish, turnip, etc., when the plant prepare food for itself, it also stores some of the food in the roots. And because of storing of food, the roots swell up, and these swollen roots are eaten by us as they are very nutritious for us. You know very well, carrots are the rich sources of vitamins, and other modified roots are also used by us. So, I can say this is all about the modification of the root for the storage of food. Let's show you one by one carrots which are available nowadays throughout the year. Turnip and sweet potato are also there. Now we reached up to the second modification, roots modified for support. The roots of some plants provide them with additional support to help them stand erect. For example, the branches of banyan tree get extra support with the help of rope-like roots hanging down from the branches. These roots act as pillars and prevent the long branches from bending downward. Such roots are called prop roots. We can understand it in this way that you are very well familiar to the banyan tree, a very large and tall tree having very widely spread branches. So, to support these branches, something is required, and God made a provision of giving a long root that arises from the branches and reaches up to the ground. These roots are actually to support the broadly spread branches there. So, dear student, and the name of these branches are prop roots. So, this is all about the second type of modification of roots, that is roots modified for support. Roots modified for support. Example, banyan tree, and the roots that are modified, name of that root are prop roots. Now we are moving towards the third type of modification, that is roots modified as parasitic roots. Some plants such as dodder, popularly known as amar bale. Why? Because it never dies. Grow on another plant, its roots arise from the stem and penetrate means to insert themselves inside the stem tissue of the other host plant. What is the meaning of host plant? The plant at which this dodder lives, that is known as host plant. The roots then absorb water and mineral from the host plant. Such roots are called parasitic or sucking roots because they suck water and minerals from the host plant. I want to explain you this concept further. What is host? Suppose you are organizing a birthday party on your birthday for your friend. So you are known as the host that time. So the plant at which dodder lives is known as host. And what this dodder do with the host plant? Dodder penetrates its roots into the stem of that host plant and take away all the water, suck the water and minerals from that plant and grow itself and harm the host plant. Such type of roots are known as parasitic roots. So none of the plant want to become the host of such a parasitic plant. But because of its ability of dodder never dies. So it search about its host anywhere and take always the treat of water and minerals from that host plant. This is all about the three types of modifications of roots, dear students. I want to leave you behind that keep eating carrots, the modified roots, as these are rich sources of vitamin A. This is all about for today. Bye bye. Have a good day, dear students.